Hello everybody, I am Naeem Akram Malik and I am working from home these days because of the COVID-19 outbreak. In today's video, I am going to show you what is the equipment which I am utilizing to work from home in an effective way. First of all, I prepare to work every day just like I used to prepare to go to office. I put on formally like semi-formal clean clothes, and I try not to work from home in my PJs because I believe the mindset is also very important. And when we change our clothes and when we dress up for work as we usually do, our mindset is also like basically formed to get more work done. So now let us move towards my workplace. First of all, here's the bigger picture view. I have my official laptop here and I have a wireless keyboard and mouse. These are my personal belongings. And I have this USB hub, which is very useful because it helps to like reduce the clutter. And aside from that, I have this Dell monitor over here. This is a 26-inch display and it can properly swivel and move up and down and everything. I'm in Pakistan, so I'll talk about Pakistani market. This is a second-hand device. I didn't buy it completely new. This is a second-hand device. I bought it for 8,000 rupees just a month ago in 2020. You might buy something like this because it is very helpful. Cheaper ones are also available because this one is HDMI. There are some VGA ones which are cheap. You can also buy those if you want to. And I also have, what else do I have? I have this microfiber cloth. I have a pack of them over here. They help to keep things clean. And I also have this headphone. Let me bring it in. This Logitech headphone. This is my personal belonging. Logitech H340. So this is also very helpful because it has got noise cancellation and it can be very helpful when you're talking, when you're working from home. And I have a dedicated room in my home. This is a separate dedicated room. And up here I got this device which I bought as a backup. This is a 4G device. I bought it as a backup, but I am using it as my main home office device. The home DSL is available, but sometimes kids are using it and sometimes it can get slow. It is not very reliable. So that is why I bought this device, and it has been instrumental in my success from working from home until so far. What else is important? Of course, I got a couple more things. Let me show you those. Although the internet device comes with a built-in battery, but it does not last for more than about an hour or a little more than that. And it also comes with a charger. It is a USB charger, and that USB charger is right here. So it comes with a USB charger, but instead of using this, I already had this power extension. I have plugged my laptop in here. This is like another extension, the display, and this USB power source. So I am using this to power the internet device. And the charger, it has got this shorter cable. This one has got a longer cable. From the past I bought it with something else. The longer cable came with this tablet, which I really never got to use. That's a drawing tablet. But in any case, cable management is also very important when you're working from home. So I am using this extension to power all of my devices, all of the devices on the desk. And I also have this extra extension which I sometimes use, but right now it is not very much used, but it is still there. And let me show you one last thing. I got this chair to work from home. This is a master chair. This is made by the master company. It can move up and down. It does not have a swivel feature, but still it has got this like full back support and stuff. So if you are working from home, I highly recommend that if you plan to work from home in the long term, then you also get a proper chair, because several years ago I noticed while working from home that something was missing from my experience, something I had to do differently while I was working from home. So I had some extra cash and I bought this chair back then. You can buy something like this for if you buy a Boss chair in Pakistan, the chairs made by the Boss company, they are about 7-8 thousand rupees per chair. This one should be about 12,000 to 13,000 rupees. Even cheaper ones are also available. It totally depends on your budget, but this one really helps me. This one really helps me to stay home and to work effectively from home. So this was an overview of my equipment, the equipment which I use to work from home during the COVID outbreak. So if you have any questions, if you have any suggestions, please feel free to ask those in the comment section. I would love to respond, and thank you very much for watching. See you again soon. Stay safe, stay home, wash your hands often, and see you later. Bye.